Hi, I'm Ami Steinberger with your weekly video dose of Hebrew. The Torah portion to be read this Shabbat by Jews around the world features the Ten Commandments, the giving of the Torah at Mount Sinai, after which the Torah says, V'chol ha'am ro'im et hakolot. The whole nation is seeing the sounds. Ro'im et hakolot. Seeing the sounds. In this religious ecstasy, they're able to see sounds. Something special about the word for sound. In Hebrew it's kol. Listen and repeat. Kol. Kol. It's a masculine word, even though in the plural it's kolot. Kolot. It sounds feminine in the plural, but really it's a masculine word. So we have kolot chazakim. Strong sounds, or strong voices. Kol is also the word for a vote. Just like kol is the word for a voice, it's the word for a vote. Voice and vote are related in English as well. To illustrate this special spiritual quality of the word kol, of the voice, of the sound, I'll call upon a passage from the original Hebrew, the Bible, Sefer Melachim, the Book of Kings, where Eliyahu Navi, Elijah the prophet, runs away for his life to the desert, to Mount Sinai, and hides in a cave, searching for God in his pain, in his anguish, in his confusion. And God appears to him and says, Vayomer, and God says, Tse ve'amadta bahar, get out of the cave and stand on the mountain, Lifnei Hashem, before God. V'hinei Hashem over, and behold, God is passing by. V'ruach gdola v'chazak mefarek harim, and a great strong wind is destroying mountains, or taking apart mountains. U'mishaber slaim, and shattering stones. Lifnei Hashem, before God. Lo v'ruach Hashem. God is not found in the wind. Ve'achar haruach ra'ash, and after the wind, a great big sound generated by an earthquake. Lo v'ra'ash Hashem. God is not found in the earthquake. Ve'achar hara'ash esh, and after the earthquake, a fire. Lo va'esh Hashem. God is not found in the fire. Ve'achar ha'esh kol dmama daka, and after the fire, a barely perceptible sound of silence. Kol dmama daka. So apparently, the divine can be perceived in the listening. Shabbat Shalom, v'sof shavua na'im l'chulam. Shabbat Shalom and a pleasant weekend to all.